Good afternoon, Steve from All-Star Case Breaks. In a box of 2017 Panini XR Football. Good luck, Zach. Buddy Baker. Rookie card. Brian Hill. 42 of 99 for the Falcons. First one of these out of the case. Samuel, Benjamin, and Newton. 79 of 99. Isaiah McKenzie out of 199. Tyreek Hill of 299. And Gates and Clowney. Nice thick redemption. Anybody know what the redemptions are in this? Cam Newton Notorious out of 99. Carson Palmer, Gronk, Flacco, and Peterson. Oh, Evan Ingram. Man, I hope it's Kareem Hunt. Good luck, Zach. Rookie swatch autographs. Number 16. There you go. Congrats, man. It usually pays to keep going at All-Star Case Breaks. At least that's what the owner thinks. Congrats, man. I'm sure it's numbered. I don't know. It doesn't say the numbering. Everything is numbered in this pretty low, so. Hey, Brad, thanks. Sometimes it's good and sometimes not so good, I know. Where to, Zach? 9 left. This one here. This one here? Okay. I just wanted to make sure. Hey, the first one that's been... Paul, no. Nope. Raekwon McMillan. Marlon Mack. Rookie triple swatch. 35 of 99. Nice card there. Jerome Bettis, 22 of 25. Pittsburgh Steelers, Hall of Famer. 299, 199, and base. Two thickies. Good luck. Jake Butt, rookie. Terrell Davis, 10 of 10. Nice Hall of Fame autograph there. And nice 10 of 25 Carson Wentz. Maximal material. Ten of 25. McKenzie, Newton, Gates, and Fitzgerald. Zach, which one? 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second from the bottom. How about a 1 of 1? Malik Hooker, Nathan Peterman, 69 of 99. Autographed jersey. Illustrious, 1 of 25, Julio Jones. Eric Berry out of 299. Coleman out of 199. Eifert and Donald. Good luck, man. Gerald Everett. Brad is all-knowing. Good call, man. Davis Webb, 20 of 25. And Marlon Mack, 12 of 25. Rookie jumbo materials. Des Bryant, Frank Gore, Taylor, and McDonald. Good call, man. Although I guess the odds were, what, 1 in 8? Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. McKinley, Amara Darboh, 28 of 99. Eric Dickerson, Bortles, Palmer, Robinson, and Jones. Good luck, man. TJ Logan. So, Brad, what does this one have? Oh, I gave it away. Samaje Perine, 37 of 99. And Bo Nose, 19 of 49, maximum material. Bortles, Ajay, Beasley, and Derek Carr. I thought he did all right. Third. Still want a 1-of-1 for you, man. A Woozy, Jehu Chasen, 67 of 199. Zach Jones, 45 of 99. Palmer and Taylor. Let me sleeve these. Good luck on the second pack. Tease Tabor. Adarius Stewart, 27 of 49. Illustrious Jarvis Landry. Dez out of 199. Adoree Jackson out of 299. Smith and Gore. Second box. Good luck, good luck. Takaris McKinley. Deontay Foreman, 13 of 25 red rookie triple swatch. 3 patch and an autograph. Yeah, the right team. Hyde, Jones, Cohen, Edelman, and Tannehill. Shelton Gibson. Third. Luminous endorsements, 10 of 49. Mac Hollins. And Stafford, Galladay, and Golden Tate, 15 of 49 triple. McKinley, Stafford, Nelson, and Dak. Four left. Okay, number 3. Good luck, a woozy. Dede Westbrook, 116 of 199. Illustrious Greg Olson. Cam Robinson, 150 points. Oh, sorry about that. And Matt Collins, 68 of 75. Bortles, Charles Harris, Bryant, and McCoy. Yeah, Victor. Man, I'm trying. We need one of a big player, I know, or a big rookie. NFL Shield, right? Reddick. There you go. Talking about a one of one. John Ross III. That's a cool card. Congratulations, Zach. Congrats, man. Illustrious Mike Evans. Beckham out of 199. Perkins out of 299. Ryan Anderson out of 199. Juju Smith-Schuster, 3 of 99. Gronk, Winston, Rogers, and Marshall. Zach, let me know if you want the last two. And how do you want that shipped? You want it in a top loader, one touch? What's your preference? Finish it? Okay. Nice case. Hopefully one more big one. One of the big rookies. Jared Davis. Jake Butt out of 199. Dede Westbrook out of 99. Chad Williams, Demarius Thomas. Oh, another redemption. Bryant, Thomas, Gurley, Golf, and Norman. Good luck, Zach. Kareem Hunt again? Man, I don't know. There you go. Rookie triple swatch auto. Man, 2 hunts. There you go. You called that. All right, good luck. Last one. Brian Hill. Zay Jones autograph. 86 of 199. Des Bryant, Rivers, Willis, Hill, and... All right, good luck, man. Last pack. You got the right color there. Let it be the right player. Williams, Jabril Peppers out of 199. Nathan Peterman out of 75. Thought maybe you got a Deshaun Watson. Freeman, Chancellor, Eifert, and Gurley. Zach, congratulations, man. Thanks a lot. I do have a new case. If anybody wants some out of a new case, let me know. And especially congratulations. That's a killer 1 of 1. Too bad that hadn't been the hunt, right?